It's about bringing women from Queensland, such as Queensland Trust for Nature, our other partners, Global Sisters, and then women from across Australia, Northern Australia and the Pacific Islands together, so that we all form this kind of connection around protecting and managing nature.
I've never been to any places like Australia. This is my first time.
I'm really proud to be working on this program with the Nature Conservancy. I feel like we've taken a little bit of a risk doing this to bring women together, to think about big ideas that are sort of out of the box. That's what I really am excited about.
We are here with a number of Global Sisters women. We're running a 3-day workshop and we are helping them take some conservation initiatives that they're undertaking and turning those into possible business ideas for them to take back to their communities and talk to them about and possibly put into place in the future.
Because Arnavon is so very special, we think would promote ecotourism there. So it will be a very good business to promote what Solomon has to offer.
We're coming from different backgrounds, but yet we share so many common issues and challenges.
We believe in the economic empowerment of women by developing sustainable, economically viable markets from mangrove habitats in PNG.
The problem is in the community, it's education. We will create opportunities for the community through two-way education.
Our culture is strong, like out in the bush, it's really strong.
We're at the Queensland State Library preparing for our presentations tonight.
But our greatest vision of conservation is our people. So we want to make a difference. And our big idea this week is to continue to do conservation, but to really connect it to economic benefits.
As women of the Pacific, who are stewards and caretakers, nurturers of our lands and seas upon which our families depend on.
It is only a few days ago that I was at home in my local hut, and today I feel very honored to stand in front of you all. And thank you so much for supporting and helping us and trying to make things happen for us women in our local situation, in our local areas.